Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you and the mercy and blessing of Allah. Good afternoon to our rector, Mr. Febri Saifullah, SPD MPD, who teacher the English for Civic, and to my fellow student whom I teach and I'm proud of this afternoon. I will be presenting on the topic of understanding the essence of Islamic law. Let me introduce myself. My name is Retno Sari Bedawati. I'm 6 semester 6 student in the Civic Education PPKN study program with student ID number 872052355. Next, materi number 1, understanding the NC of Islamic law, yaitu memahami hakikat hukum Islam. Di sini ada latar belakang. Islamic law began during the sporting period of the Prophet Muhammad SAW with the Al-Quran and Sunnah with the main source the development during the time of Khulafaur Rashid, Ijma dan Qiyas. In the development period 2 and 4 countries that was a codification of fiqh by school Al-Hanafi and Maliki, followed by a period the recent and modern revival and contextual ijtihad. Number 1 yaitu definition of the nature of Islamic law. Islamic law Shahira on comprehensive system of rules, God worship, and between humas muamalah, aini reasoning, distinct benefit and is universal dynamic to ijtihad and resist the maqasid of Sharia, shoes protecting religion, sought mean lineage and property can principles. The main principles include monotheism and foundation, just without discrimination and blend between the word and the harmful primary sought and the Al-Quran and Hadith supported by Ijma, Qiyas as well as secondary implementation. Example aspect. Number 1, example worship. 5, daily prayer must be performed and 13 times every day. 2, muamalah. Example prohibition of usury in Shahira banking reflect by profit sharing and example profit 100 less for non-muhsan undertaking. Number 4, social example payment of zakat mal to clean of asset and help the poor. Number 2, introduction why Islamic law important, yaitu pengantar mengapa hukum Islam itu penting. Islamic law important as comprehensive with organization from divine revelation to regulate the life of Muslim holistically, exist and balance between work and spiritual happiness through the principles of justice and benefit. Spiritual foundation Islamic law. Vertical relationship halbu minallah, to worship, so and prayer and fasting, which are the foundation of knowledge and faith. Why this love leads it afterlife orientation. And mainly social harmony, be regulation muamalah, short and progression of usuri and the commandment of zakat, the printing of ini, promoting solidarity in modern these principles, sahira economics and social justice. Number 2, the protector of basic right. Islamic law protects Makasi, Shahira, religion, soul, mean, lineage, and property should interfere in the right and the prohibition of killing. This ensure individual and collective well-being and pluralism. Number 2, primary sources of Islamic law, the Al-Quran and the Sunnah, yaitu sumber-sumber utama hukum Islam, Al-Quran dan As-Sunnah. The Al-Quran and As-Sunnah are the two main sources of Islamic law, which are the basic of Shahira for Muslim birth and divine revelation on the making them absolute guidelines in worship, muamalah and daily life. Al-Quran as source. The Al-Quran is the word of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, which was revealed in text to the Prophet Muhammad SAW through the angel Gabriel over 23 year atau 23 tahun, introduced around 500 words of ahkam law, which are ijmali general of angel literary, including the was of thief, margin, criminal and economic matter, and cannot be corroborated by other source of law, is positive and basis law Komisi Sunnah An-Nisa Fair 59. As Sunnah the second source, as Sunnah and Hadith condition the argument and seed of the Prophet Muhammad SAW, with explain and complement the Al-Quran. The Sunnah is obligatory to obey as per the Al-Quran, as Allah say in Sunnah An-Nisa Fair 80, white equate to the messenger with to Allah the